sebelumnya Miss mau lihat tesnya yang akan dikasih. Silakan dibuka buku tes berbahasa Inggris. Oke, kita yang ada di tes. Silakan lihat penelitian. Oke. Silakan. Hold on. The number. Telemeter. Volume. Breadway. Business deal. Down. Go anywhere. So honest. You are. He is. I am. He always. Too often. Can you do it? Haven't you? No, not yet. I'll let you know. Is that your final answer? Can I get you a drink? Did you see it? How did you like it? Did you find your keys? Could you tell? We follow your instructions. Yes, sure. Press your hands together. I'll try to get your A. I miss you. Bless you. How's your family? How was your trip? Who's your friend? When's your birthday? She says you are okay. Are you ready? Well, I want to ask you something. What do you think about leadership camp?
I think it's so great because with leadership makes me disciplined.
Really? What about you?
I think same challenge because that we can know what leadership, who a leader.
Okay, I see. But actually, what kind of condition that we feel at leadership camp?
I think feel tired,
What about you?
excited, interesting, and amazing.
Okay, and then who's the trainer of leadership camp?
Miss Izzy.
Okay, and then